Welcome to the part 2 of using CapCut Pro for free. Absolutely free. If you have not seen the part 1 of this video, please, I advise you to go back there and watch it. It is really important that you see that video. So in this video, I will be showing you how you can use Auto Caption on CapCut for free. Right? I have faced that shaggy before. Like I would say, in fact, this particular video that I did, I used a lot of pro feature. So when I wanted to export, I was really enjoying it, even things that were not pro before, that were not of pro, they were not pro features. Now, most of CapCut features are now pro. So I would be sharing with you how you can use those features for free. Right? When I was using that feature, then I used a lot of pro features in that particular video. So when it was time for me to export this video to post on my social media platform, I think I was trying to post it on my Instagram at that time. So I got stuck. I could not go back. I could not move to the front. I was like, what am I going to do? And that was because I did not have the right information at that point on how to use pro feature for free. And now that I do, I decided that I was going to share it with you guys. So kindly subscribe to my channel because you are really going to find this video helpful. I am very sure of it because it was helpful to me. That was why I decided to make a video on it. So subscribe to my channel, like, and share it to someone you feel might need it, right? And then you can hit the notification button to get notifications on new videos that I post, right? So let's get right into it. So I'll be using this video to show you how to use auto caption on every of your videos, your projects. When I recorded this video for when I edited this video for a client, I didn't use auto caption at all. So that is why I particularly chose this video to show you how to use auto caption, right? So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing we want to do,
if you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the breath of life.
Can you see that there is no auto caption here of what she's saying? It's not there. So what we want to do now is to click on these captions here. Then we select whatever template we would like to use. You can see that it is a pro feature. Yes, so let's select this one. Let's use this first video, this first feature. Then we'll generate it. Even to generate is pro. Let's see. This one is stated to be like a free template, but to generate the auto caption, you need you need to be on the pro plan. You understand? So it does not matter whether you are selecting a free template or you are selecting a pro template. You have to generate it as a paid plan, which is the pro feature. Even to generate the free one, you have to be on the pro plan. You understand? So let's just go for the first one, then generate. So now we've generated the auto caption for this video.
If you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the breath of life.
Now CapCut auto caption has errors sometimes, like typo errors. So when you use the auto caption, you need to check out each each section of the captions to check if what you are saying is in line with what it is showing on the screen. If you are seeing this video, so this is correct. Okay, I think I need to show you very well. Let me try to remove this sound. Okay, I can't remove the sound. the text templates that are here. Okay, delete. Then this one to delete. Okay.
If you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the breath of life. Now we
Okay. Here she said, say thank you for the breath of life. So you see what the auto caption is showing. For the right of life. So you just tap on it, on that particular the caption, sorry, you click on that particular caption here, then you tap on the screen, I mean on this written caption on the screen to edit it.
God thank
Okay, say God thank you for the breath of life, for the breath, okay, for the breath of life. So that is it. Oh, sorry. So when you're done, you just move back, then that is all it is.
video. Say God thank you for the breath of life.
So for every of your captions, just like that, you check the rest. Yeah, let me delete this. You check the rest, then you edit the template, right, to suit whatever you are saying, to make sure that it is in line with whatever you are saying. And it might be that what's it called, probably you extracted the audio, or recorded the um you recorded the voiceover. Yeah, so just make sure that the caption is in line with whatever you are saying with the audio of the video. So that is just it. Now you remember that it is a pro feature that we use. If you check up here, you see that it is showing pro, right? Now, so what do we do from here? From here, you screen record your video, the whole of it, like from the beginning till the end. You screen record it. So let's do that, and I will come back, to show you. I have to do it behind the scene because I'm using the screen recording feature currently, I mean of my phone. So let's do just that. Now that we are done screen recording the video, what we do next is to leave this place, right? Then open a new project. So this is the video here, the one I screen recorded.
If you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the breath of,
right? So we had it to the new project. So now this is now in a new project. First thing we want to do is to go to click on the project, then go to transform, then resize, right? Then you crop this out. You know that this video, it is not like it's not in YouTube resolution. Depends on what social media platform you are using the video for, whatever video you are using. So this one is a what's it called? Is a portrait kind of video. So it is suitable for like TikTok or Instagram. YouTube video is in like a landscape mode. So let's just choose so this one is for YouTube, and no, that is not what we want to do. So let's use the first one, right? Then we resize it, cut this place off. Okay. Coming, guys. Yeah, so we just resize it, and that is just it. Then you select this like the mark sign up here. That is it. Can you see?
if you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the breath of life. Now we welcome to take.
Okay, so after we've transformed, like we've resized the video, we've cut out the unnecessary parts of the video. You see that this video is not filling up the whole screen, right? So what we do is to come here, the aspect ratio down here, we click on it, then we use this first one, like I said. So that is it. Now you see that it is filling up the whole area of the video, I mean of the screen, of the size of the particular screen. Yeah, so
if you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the.
all right, so one other cool effect that I would like to show you now is to sharpen the video. It is looking quite blurry, so let's do just that. We adjust, right? Then we come to sharpen here. Then you can use any, you can adjust it to whatever you see that, okay, yeah, I want it this way. I mean, if you like it sharpen a bit, it depends on the kind of video you are using. So yeah, you can just adjust it to your choice, right? So let me just leave it here. Okay, that's all.
If you are seeing this video, say God thank you for the
Quality has
breath of
changed
life.
from before.
Now we
So when you are using your own auto caption, you make sure that you edit the text to correspond with what you are saying to the audio of your video. Yeah, so that is just what you do. Now that we are done, you come here to give your video a very nice quality. You increase it here. This is what I normally use. 1080, then the frame rate 30. Now you are good to go. We are not using any Pro feature again. Know that we've already cheated CapCut by doing what I just showed you guys. So once again, if you find this video really helpful, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, right guys? And then if you have any questions, please let me know, guys, in the comment section. So you export your video, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.